Hello friends, welcome to our channel study guide. Friends, we are working on the general science question and a crash course on the general science for the RRB group D examination. Okay, so we have come up to our 5th class and we are working on the chemistry. Okay, so let us discuss what is our questions of this class. In our previous classes we have covered the periodic table and almost 40 very important question from the periodic table, and I hope that is also important for your RRB CBT2 and also for the railway group D examination. Okay, so and in these classes we have started the oxidation reduction reaction. Okay, so oxidation reduction is also very important for your RRB group D examination. Okay, as per the new railway pattern. Okay, new railway pattern. Okay, then we can move to the metal and non-metals. Okay, after that, but before that we should move to we should cover the periodic table and the oxidation reduction. Okay, and these two chapters are very important for your railway group D examination. Now, oxidation means in a chemical reaction when an atom or ion releases the electrons, then it is called the oxidation reaction. Okay, in a chemical reaction when the atom or the ion, maybe it is an atom, maybe it is ion, when it releases the electrons, then it is called oxidation reaction. Okay, this type of reaction is called oxidation reaction. So in some of the equations later we will solve in our next sessions, that equation will be given, which one is oxidation, which one is reduction, later we will decide. Okay, with some examples. Now our next question is, what is the reduction reaction? Reduction reaction means in a chemical reaction when an atom or the ions accept the electron. Okay, when an atom or ion accept the electron, then it is called the reduction reaction. Okay, then it is called the reduction reaction. Okay, let us move to our next slide. What is oxidant? Okay, very important, and do not confuse about the oxidant. A very simple thing, the element which accept the electron. Okay, the element which accept the electrons within itself, any element which accept the electrons within itself is called oxidant. Okay, it is the oxidant in the reaction. Okay, it is the oxidant in the reaction. Let us use our digital pen, and this is the oxidant. Oxidant means which accept the electron. Okay, now next question we have given example of oxidant. Okay, oxygen, hydrogen peroxide H2O2, halogens, nitric acid, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, all are the oxidant. Why they are oxidant? Because they accept the electrons within itself. Okay, that is why it is known as oxidant. Okay, now next, what is reductant? The element which releases the electrons from itself. Okay, within, not it will be form. Okay, from itself. Okay, it releases the electrons from itself, it's called reductant. Now what are the example of reductant? Hydrogen, hydrogen sulphide, carbon Stannous chloride SnCl2, sulfur dioxide SO2, they are all reductant. Why they are reductant? Because the element, because they releases the electrons from themselves. Okay, they releases the electrons, their electron donor. Okay, so they are called reductant. Okay, so next question, if chlorine, okay, Cl2 accept the electrons, now accept the electrons and become Cl minus, then it is, okay, if the chlorine accept the electrons, okay, if it accept the electrons, then it is oxidant, then it is oxidant. Okay, then it is oxidant. Now Sn2 plus releases the electrons and become Sn4 plus. Okay, then what is, it is releasing the electrons, right? Okay, it is releasing the electrons. Okay, the element releasing the electrons within itself. Okay, from the own it is releasing the electrons, so it is a reductant. Okay, then Sn 2 plus will be a reductant. Next, H2SO4 is the, what is the oxidation number of the sulfur in the H2SO4? We have to find it, we have to calculate it. The calculation is really very simple, no need to remember anything. Okay, so H2, so hydrogen has a oxidation number of +1 into 2. Okay, we don't know about the sulfur, that is X, and about the oxygen it will be, oxygen has -2 into 4. Okay, you have to remember these two things, hydrogen +1 or oxygen -2. This will be always be 0. Okay, so 2 into 1 2 plus X minus 8 will be 0. Okay, so X will be how much? 8 minus 2, that will be 6. So X will be how much? X will be 6. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the oxidation number in the sulfur. Okay, in our later videos we will see, in equation will be given and which one is oxidized, which one is reducing. Okay, now this is our last question. This is very popular question for the railway examination. Just we have need to know that K is +1, Mn we does not know, and oxygen is always -2, and now 4 atoms, so 4 in KMnO4, oxidation number of the Mn. Okay, -2 into 4. Okay, so 1 plus X minus 8, that is 0. Now X equals to 7. Okay, 8 minus 1 7. So this is the oxidation number of Mn in the KMnO4. Okay, this is the sulfur is +6. Okay, try to remember it by +6. Okay, +6, and this is +7. Okay, always this is a plus, and it should be written as a +6 or +7. Okay, okay, now which one we should give plus and which one we should give minus? Okay, try to remember those two things, which one we should give plus. Okay, the reductant should be plus. Okay, and the oxidant should be minus. Reductant should be plus and the oxidant should be minus. Okay, so later we will discuss it with a more example. Okay, and try to connect with us, and thank you for watching our video.